Hey everybody, it's Sami from the Sephora at Fashion Square in Sherman Oaks. And after a long day, it is so important to properly take off your makeup. So stay tuned if you want to learn an easy skincare routine for normal to dry skin. So my first step is always going to be to remove my fake lashes. You can usually get about 10 to 15 uses out of these lashes, so be very gentle when removing them and place them right back in the box so you can use them next time as well. And to remove my eye makeup, I will be using the Makeup Forever SENS'EYES Waterproof Sensitive Eye Cleanser. This is such a great eye makeup remover. It's extremely lightweight and it's great for sensitive skin because it's going to give you a little bit of hydration as well. So I apply it directly onto my cotton round and kind of let it soak onto my eye makeup to break up the product before I begin wiggling it back and forth. I also like to use my eye makeup remover to remove my liquid lipsticks as well because those products can be very difficult to break down. So it just gives a very nice clean removal. And to remove the rest of my makeup, I will be using the Sephora Collection Cleansing and Exfoliating Wipes in the scent Rose. These are great because they're going to give your skin a little bit of hydration. They also smell really nice too. I like to use this before I go in with any cleanser just to ensure that I really remove any makeup or any buildup that might be on my skin. So you can use this on your face and you can also use it around your eyes as well. Just be very gentle around that eye area, being sure not to tug or pull too much. And for my cleanser, I will be using the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is my all-time favorite facial cleanser. You want to make sure you apply it onto dry skin. That way you can make sure that it really breaks up any product that might be on your face and then add water after. It's sensitive enough where you can use it around the eyes and on the face. But since I already removed my eye makeup, I don't like to put too much around my eyes just to be sure that I don't get it inside of my eye. So after I've rubbed it in onto dry skin, I will mix it with a little bit of water. And at home, you could do this on your sink or you could use it in the shower, but I'm just going to be using a damp washcloth to wipe this product off of my face. And making sure to pat my face dry, never pulling or tugging on the skin. For serum, I'm using the Caudalie VINOSOURCES.O.S Thirst Quenching Serum. This is a great oil-free serum. It's packed with hyaluronic acid, so it's great for skin that might be dehydrated or have a little bit of irritation to it. It gives your skin a nice bounce and a nice radiant glow, and it's also going to help protect your skin from any free radicals that might be in the air, such as the sun, pollution, or even stress to the skin. My eye cream is the Caudalie VINELACTIV Energizing Vitamin C Eye Cream. This eye cream is great for anti-aging, but also good for hydration, puffiness, and any fine lines that might be under the eye. Has lots of vitamin C in it, so it's going to be extremely awakening for the skin, and it's also going to help support collagen around that delicate eye area. It's going to give you a really pretty glow as well. And I'm patting this in with my ring finger because my ring finger has the lightest touch out of all the fingers on my hand. And the skin around your eye is very, very gentle and very thin. So you want to make sure you're giving it the lightest touch. I also like to use my eye cream on the contours of my lips and on my smile lines as well. My next step is to apply my Murad Multivitamin Infusion Oil. This oil is great to give your skin a really pretty, healthy glow. It's anti-aging, hydrating, and also helps even out any texture or uneven skin tone on the skin. It's a very light formula, so it absorbs really well onto your skin. So well that you can even use it under your makeup if you are more dry-skinned. And I pull this all the way down to my neck and chest area and applying it in upward motions. And for my moisturizer, I will be using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Moisturizer. You can apply this all over your face, on your chest, and your neck. What sets this moisturizer apart from any other moisturizer is that it has time-release hydration capsules in it. So not only are you getting that immediate burst of hydration, but it's going to keep hydrating your face throughout the day and throughout the night to ensure that your skin stays nice and hydrated. Next up, I am using the Bite Beauty Agave Sugar Lip Scrub. This lip scrub is a good product to add to your regimen. Just as we exfoliate our faces, we want to make sure we are exfoliating the dead skin off of our lips as well. This product is super natural. It has raw brown sugar and pineapple enzymes in it. It's going to give your lips a really smooth and soft texture to them. And for my lip balm, I will be using the Laneige Lip Mask. This is a leave-on lip mask treatment, so you can use it overnight, but you can also use it throughout the day as well. This one has a berry mix complex to it, so it smells great and also gives you lots and lots of hydration to the lip. It has a very thin formula to it, so it doesn't feel too thick and uncomfortable on the lips, and it's perfect for sleeping because it actually stays on throughout the night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Skincare is one of my favorite things, and I am so happy that I got to share all my tips and tricks with you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all social channels at _Sami Ramos_.